was a time, not that long ago in fact, where a robot that could do laundry was the stuff of your wildest dreams. But recent announcements from 1X Technologies suggest the concept of an effective household robot assistant might be getting closer to reality. This Palo Alto-based company has revealed a new AI model built in support of its humanoid robot, Neo, that they say enables it to perform household tasks autonomously. According to reports, the new model, called Redwood, is designed to support tasks that require navigating throughout the house, opening doors, even laundering clothes. Using advanced generalization techniques, Redwood enables Neo to adapt as it goes, trying new techniques or gestures until it can complete a challenging task. Using perception, locomotion, and control, Redwood is said capable of handling full-body coordination, simultaneously predicting arm, leg, pelvis, and walking commands. It also uses natural language processing to translate commands into action. 1X suggests that Neo can even function in locations that have been traditionally too low connectivity to leverage robots, such as wooded areas or basements. Its comprehensive reinforcement learning controller offers a full-body autonomous approach to real-life applications, which include kneeling, climbing stairs, and navigating all directions, even sitting on the floor and then resuming a standing position. To address its capabilities as a home helper, 1X makes Neo more human-like by dressing the bot in a full-body stretchy sweater, supporting what the firm calls a minimal design aesthetic that fits into the home. The latest generation of the bot, Neo Gamma, will continue to add real-world data to the AI model, with hopes of testing the device in a few hundred to a few thousand homes by the end of 2025.